In this video, I want to talk about if Temu is safe. Now, to give you the short answer, yes, Temu is safe. You can safely use this to buy stuff. Now, there are some things to keep in mind though when buying from Temu, and the main one is that it's most likely shipped from China. So the waiting time will be super long, and it can even take up to a month before your item arrives, but there should be no problem with security. So you can safely buy from Temu, and there will be no problem with adding your credit card or stuff like this to buy from Temu. Keep in mind there are millions of users on Temu, and there are millions of items being sold daily, so it's a really huge platform. And just because it's mostly shipped from China doesn't make any security concerns. Just keep in mind the products might not be the best of quality, and if you want, you can click on some items and you can scroll down to the store. You can click on the store and you will be able to see all of their stuff, and also you can see their reviews, and you will be able to see, if you go to the store information, you will be able to see where it's shipped from. So that is basically how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.